Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an extra row to your spreadsheet on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select from an already existing document from your list here, but you can also have the ability to create a new document by clicking on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. You have two options here. You can either choose a template and create a document with the standard format, or create a new spreadsheet by tapping on this button. Then you should add the name of your new spreadsheet and press the button create. Now you should tap on to the screen and then click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find this row above, row below option. So if you would like to add a row above, tap on the row above button. If you would like to add one below, tap on the relevant one. So now you have added a new row here, so you are ready to edit your spreadsheet. If you are done with these changes, tap on the checkmark icon in the left side corner of the screen at the top, thereby saving all the changes that you have made. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.